Whenever something's bothering you, I can always find you here.
You here for another cat fight? What's that?
A letter? I wrote it to you when you were away at boarding school. I never sent it. Dear Serena, my world is falling apart, and you're the only one who would understand. My father left my mother for a 31-year-old model. A male model. I feel like screaming because I don't have anyone to talk to. You're gone. My dad's gone. Nate's acting weird. Where are you? Why don't you call? Why did you leave without saying goodbye? You're supposed to be my best friend. I miss you so much. I'll split.
Why didn't you send it?
You would have what? You knew, Serena. And you didn't even call.
I didn't know what to say to you, or even how to be your friend after what I did. I'm so sorry.
Eric told me what happened. I guess your family's been going through a hard time, too.
What happens next? Only time will tell.